Metaflow sleep specialist Wallace Mendelson, MD, talks about things you should be avoiding if you're having trouble getting to sleep.
One should try to avoid naps, with the possible exception of the elderly or the debilitated. One should consider the role of eating in general with sleep. For instance, it's probably a bad idea to take a heavy meal close to bedtime, but it can be useful to take a light snack, avoiding not only coffee and cola drinks in excess, but also other sources of caffeine, including many over-the-counter medicines.
Shop, compare, and buy sleep aids, anti-snoring devices, and sleep apnea machines at Medame.com. This message brought to you by the Metaflow water-based pillow. Recommended in a Johns Hopkins sleep study, you can buy it now at Medame.com. That's www.medame.com.